How to make a perfect Melrose bow. Step 1. Organizing. You will need a pair of sharp scissors, wire, chenille stem, cable tie or string, a glue gun, and your choice of ribbon with a wired mirrored edge. The mirrored edge creates a depth and volume to your bow when shaping. Step 2. Making loops. Hold the ribbon in your non-dominant hand with it facing you. Gather and pinch about 18 to 20 inches from the end. This will become one of the tails. To make our first loop, begin by taking the ribbon up and then down in the back. Once you determine the desired loop size, gather, pinch and twist. We twist because most ribbons are single face and we need to turn the ribbon and bring the face back to the front of the bow. The second loop is made with the process going down then back up. Gather, pinch and twist. Be sure to make the loop about the same size as the one above. Repeat the process by adding more loops. I recommend at least 3 to 5 loops for each side. Cut the end of the ribbon, leaving approximately the same length for your second tail. Step 3. Tying your ribbon. Now we need to tie off our bow. Slide the wire over the loops and between your first and second finger and out through the back. Push the wire through your fingers about halfway. Now bend both ends to the back of the bow like a hairpin. Pull tight and do a few twists to make sure it's tight. These 2 wires will allow you to anchor your bow to whatever decoration needs trimming. Step 4. Shaping your bow. Begin shaping by pulling apart and separating each loop and positioning. Run your finger around the edge of both sides of each loop for a nice rounded edge. Step 5. Finishing the tail. About 2 inches from the end of one of the tails, make a diagonal cut across the ribbon and up to the mirrored edge, but not through. Now the other edge, starting about ½ an inch from the side, cut straight up until you get to the diagonal cut. The mirrored edge you didn't cut through acts as a hinge. Run a bead of glue across the tab and slide it up under the ribbon until the mirrored edge reaches the diagonal cut. Press firmly to secure the glue. You have just completed a professional finished tail. Now repeat on the second tail. Your bows have never looked better or more professional.